This is an automatic smoke detection system whereby you can install in your house ama kitchen. So tunatumia adruno and a sensor called MQ3. Here sensor ina sense smoke. So if there is a presence of smoke, sensor inatuma signal to activate the buzzer, as you can see. So the system is mounted on a breadboard, but we can design a standalone system and eliminate the Arduino Uno. So hii project unaweza install kwa your house ama kitchen to curb fire breakout. So kama kuna fire inakunotify. This is the serial monitor, inaonyeshana if there is smoke detected or not. That is the code I've uploaded to the system. So if I turn on the timestamp, itakuwa inaonyesha mpaka time. So you can purchase this system from Arduino Kenya. Visit www.arduinokenya.co.ke.